a man accidentally discovered a loophole, so he immediately calculated on the toilet paper. He was a math professor and quickly applied a large number of the probability of winning the lottery. As long as he bought more than 800 at once, he could make money. To test if his calculation was accurate, he withdrew a month's retirement salary from the bank and directly bought 2,000 lottery tickets. The salesperson was confused. It was the first time he saw someone buy lottery. Titi thought he was the fool, but he started the order. Once he got home, the man couldn't wait to turn on the TV and started recording the winning numbers in a notebook. Then he checked the numbers to check the winning lottery tickets. He added up all the winning amounts and subtracted the cost. He actually lost $327. He couldn't believe it. How could he have miscalculated? So he checked the rules of the lottery again and then recalculated carefully. After another inspection, he confirmed that there was no problem with his calculation. After because he didn't buy enough, he decided to take out all his savings and directly bought 8,000 tickets. The salesperson prompted them for 8 hours. When the lottery results came out, he began to carefully count the amounts of each prize. This time he finally made money. He earned $15,700. His method was indeed correct, and he was happy and secretly rejoiced he chose to study mathematics, which gave him the opportunity to find the loophole. Then he continued to buy lottery tickets with this method. To avoid his wife finding out, he hid the money to various corners of the house, such as popcorn buckets. The man thought his find about the news, but when he could take out some savings and work together to make it hit the money invest, the more he earns. But his friend thought he was crazy. It's the first time I've heard of someone investing in lottery. I don't know what this says. It looks like the numbers of crazy man drew in a cello. Then he said that if there were a loophole, those who engage in investment and financial management, it's not your turn since he was given this opportunity. The man didn't want to waste any more words. But as he won more and more money, there was no place to hide it. Sometimes his granddaughter would turn over the popcorn bucket, which is granddad. He had to hide the money that was for her. But eventually his wife found out about it. Something you want to tell me. The pantry. I'm playing the lottery. I'm at the empty bag of Oreos. He had to confess to his wife, not only playing the lottery, but also made a lot of money. Seeing her shocked expression, he thought he would be scolded, not doing business, but to his surprise, his wife was not angry and blamed him for not telling her earlier. It's legal income and there's no need, and she had lived for so many years and had never played such an exciting thing. They agreed at once. They decided to do something and use all the money to buy lottery tickets. How can I help you? We'd like to buy 8,000. The lottery shop owner thought they were crazy. The machine could only print 1,000 tickets per hour. He didn't want to stand here for 8 print, but when the man put a stack of banknotes in front of him, he instantly changed his attitude. It wasn't until evening that the lottery was printed. Soon it was time to draw the lottery. They quickly wrote down the winning numbers, and then checked the lottery tickets one by one. They kept counting until the next morning. The couple checked all the lottery tickets. 16,000. And to the number winners. Just gave us free tickets, so if we count those as a push, which mean we made $21,043. Although this is true, but the wife still couldn't believe it. It was like a dream come true until the next day. The man exchanged the winning money and exchanged it for a check. When the woman saw the real money on the check, she was sure that she had really made the money. However, they were worried if this matter was known to others, they might go to jail. It said that one should not be greedy. The money was enough for them to retire, so they decided to stop immediately and go home to live.